If your streaming setup feels slow, confusing, or just not worth it, you're not alone. And today, we're talking about something bigger. Cable TV. Because the truth is, cable is fading. And it didn't happen overnight. People started noticing high prices, limited flexibility, too many channels they don't watch. And slowly, they started moving away. Streaming changed everything. More control, more choice, more flexibility. But here's the twist. Streaming is now starting to look like cable again. More apps, more subscriptions, more cost. So what's the solution? Balance. Don't go back to cable. But don't overload your streaming either. Because the goal is simplicity. If this helped you, follow at MyForeverGem. And subscribe here, right finger https://www.youtube.com/@MyForeverGem for more simple, intuitive, and relatable videos. And remember, you're part of something growing.